The Eurozone's economy took a plunge in the second quarter due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, with the bloc's gross domestic product or GDP registering its biggest single quarter drop in history. Data from the Eurostat showed on Friday that GDP fell by 12.1% in the euro area in the 3 months through June, significantly higher than the 3.6% stumble in the first quarter, while GDP in the broader European Union or EU declined 11.9% compared from the 3.2% slump reported in the first quarter. Chinese video sharing app TikTok has found itself in US President Donald Trump's crosshairs, becoming the latest flashpoint in the weakening relationship between the US and China. Microsoft Corp, however, may have a solution to the problem after the US tech giant said it was in talks with TikTok owner ByteDance Limited over buying the app's operations in the US, which could make Microsoft a major competitor to social media groups such as Facebook Inc. and Snapchat. US main stock indexes rose on Tuesday, with the Nasdaq Composite index posting another record high, as large tech reduced losses in the end of the session, although the lack of clarity over the progress of discussions about the next COVID-19 stimulus package pressured sentiment. The Dow added 0.62% or 164 points, while the S&P 500 gained 0.36% and tech-heavy Nasdaq climbed 0.35% before easing to trade with a 0.3% loss. Gold surged past the $2,000 per ounce level for the first time in 2020 on Wednesday, supported by weakness in the US dollar and a considerably low interest rate environment. Rising above the historic barrier, gold futures were last seen up by 1.8% to $2,045.80 per troy ounce, while the rapid growth in coronavirus cases in the US has brought the safe havens metals gains to more than 30% this year. The Bank of England, or BOE, kept its monetary stimulus unchanged on Thursday, stating that it has no plans to tighten policy until it is more confident about the outlook for inflation. Policymakers voted unanimously to leave its benchmark interest rate at a record low of 0.1%, while the central bank's asset purchase size was also held at £745 billion, or $980 billion.